Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can withdraw money from Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, I do apologize because I can't show you guys how that's done myself, simply because I do not have Cash App in my region, so I hope you guys understand. Instead, I'll be showing you this support article, which is very well done, and the process is very simple as well, so it won't be that hard to follow. So, you can withdraw money in the app or online, and both will be withdrawn to your bank account because once you set up your Cash App, your bank account is required to set everything up, or I'm pretty sure it's not required, but it is very, very good, and they do prompt you to set up and connect your debit card, which is sort of the connection which you need for your account. And yeah, to do so, to withdraw within the app, what you need to do is tap on the Money tab in the app on the home screen, then press withdraw, and then choose the amount, which you can also either manually enter or select a preset amount, I'm pretty sure. Then you just need to select a transfer speed and then confirm with your touch ID or your PIN, or even Face ID if your platform allows it. Online, you just need to go to cash.app/account, go to money on the left, click withdraw under balance, choose or enter the amount, and then select the bank account and transfer speed. Now, the speed that you select might have a fee attached to it. For example, if it's instant, then you will need to pay a short fee. As you can see here in the video, there is a 35-cent fee. However, if you choose standard, it will be withdrawn within a day or two, or maybe a couple of business days, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.